Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi Q5 rear wiper. This process is straightforward and can be completed quickly with just a few basic tools. We'll cover each step, from preparing your vehicle to securely installing the new blade. You'll learn how to safely remove the old wiper and ensure the new one is correctly fitted for optimal performance. Let's get started and keep your rear visibility clear. Once the wiper arm is lifted, you'll find a small tab or button on the blade's base. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Remember to hold the wiper arm securely to prevent it from springing back and potentially damaging your rear window. Now you're ready for the new blade. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. While you're keeping your car clean and clear, why not do the same for your home effortlessly? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer for pet owners and busy households. It offers voice control and self-emptying convenience, keeping your floors spotless. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. Now, let's get back to the video. Now take your new Audi Q5 rear wiper blade. Align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade on until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's secure. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window glass. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.